Halo, marhaba. Magandang umaga. I hope everyone is all is well, and thanks to God giving new life, and He's the best doctor. We should be worship to Him and asking everything from Him. And without God, no life. And if you are love God, you will get everything. So today we are going to talk about thyroid. So if you want your life is nature, you must be follow nature. If you want your body is alkaline, I said your body, you are the one, the doctor. No one there is doctor, so that much you know about your body. So what you feel, you see the video, if you watch my video, you know about so many diseases I am talking there. And today we are going to talk is a naturopathic treatment. You can cure yourself at home if you follow me. And so there is thyroid. Thyroid is two type of thyroid. And first thyroid is hypothyroid. Hypothyroid, you know where is thyroid? Thyroid coming throat in the center gland. They are making two hormone, one T3, one T4, and THS. So hypothyroid, you know, if there is infection, he will make the T3 and T4, the hormone making the less, and THS going up. And there is symptom, because the symptom is, you know, because we are eating wrong food. We are eating wrong food, and our diet is wrong, our food is wrong, our sleeping is wrong, everything is wrong. So you feel that laziness, dizziness, you cannot sleep, and you feel the fat, you are coming more fat, and hair fall, skin coming bad, your pregnancy problem, your heart problem, so everything coming problem. So if you are eat the good way, the living food, because you are eating acidic food, that's why our body making acidic, so coming more problem. So that means our throat incoming inspection, that's the hormone coming decrease and going down. So T3, T4, they are decrease, and THS going up. So same hyperthyroid also this coming against, yani T3, T4 going up and THS going down. So this is the hyperthyroid. So because our body not getting nutrition, protein, zinc, fiber, because we are eating all acidic. So if you are go hospital, you check your thyroid profile test, will be know maybe your thyroid coming 9.8 or 9.3, but when your thyroid cure, you are coming 3.6 or 4.8. So you will be no. So that's why I said, if you want to cure, because if you take the English medicine, you get the relax, but never cure. Until your life, you have to take always that medicine. This one, if you want to cure, your thyroid, you must be have to follow nature. This is easy, you can get the medicine. Just you get the 3 or 4 days, and after you can test in any place, you in a hospital or laboratory, you will be know your result. So what you have to do? You have to, anywhere you find the vegetable, like number 1 pumpkin, number 2 cucumber, number 3 ginger, number 4 lemon or calamansi, whatever else, and parsley. Or if you find the beetroot, also good. If you not find, it's these 5 things you have to need. You have to make juice around 250 ml or 200, it's okay. You drink empty stomach, and before you sleeping, you have drink 200 ml or 250 ml. Just 3-4 days after your test, you will be know what the different. First, before you start, you can test, so you know your thyroid what level. Then when you start this juice, after 4 or 5 days, you again test, will be know. Then you have to take continuous 1 month. If you take continuous 1 month, you will cure your thyroid. And I said, see, you must be have to take care. Even if you are eat food, what I saying, because you are eating oily food, you are eating rice, this processed food, all tin food, this what you call this, you are the white salt, this is more, there is more iodine or less iodine, also this getting problem thyroid. Or your body have more iodine also problem, less iodine also problem. And this one, refined oil, refined any refined food you are eating, this coming problem. So whatever you have to do, you must be have to eat the alkaline food, so your body comes the alkaline. You have to must be eat the more living food, more green vegetable. You can eat the more green vegetable, fruits, so you will get the more nutrition, more protein, more fiber, more zinc, more. So this things your body will be make alkaline. We need oxygen and the blood. If your blood is clean, you are getting oxygen, you don't have any problem. So you must be eat, and you make it work out. You have to walk like 30 minutes, or if you cannot walk, when you are stay home, just hold like this breath, hold and release. You hold from the nose and release from the nose, not from the mouth closing. Just hold half minute, 45 minutes, 1 minute, you day by day little increase. This is the best exercise. So anything you have to make the exercise. If you not make medication, so you are never come okay. So that's why I said, and don't make stress. If you make stress, you are getting more and more disease, because stress is the master of disease. So please, you have to do these things, and you must be your life in, you have to bring more vegetables. Cooked food, if we eating cooked food, we are not our body making all acidic. So that's why you have to eat living food. You must be, whenever you want to eat, before you have to eat the salad. I tell you already how much salad. You make your body how much weight, like 80 kilo or 60 kilo, divide by 5. How much coming, that much you have to quantity you have to eat. Okay? And always drink water. How much? Your body is 80 kilo, you must be drink 4 liter water. 20 kg 1 liter, 40 kg 2 liter, 60 kg 3 liter, 80 kg 4 liter. You must have drink always water. If you not drink water, your body coming dry, so you will get more disease, more headache, more problems. If you get always you drink water, never come headache. If anytime you have headache, just drink 2 glass of water, just walk in the fresh air, see your headache going same time. Because our body, need the water. If your body is, our body is 55% water, 45 our body. So we must need the water. Everyone carry his body with 45 liter. So If you want to cure your thyroid, you make this juice and do and see that after 4 or 5 days, you know the result. You will get yourself the result. That's why I said you can cure your home. You no need you make your body is acidic. No need your body put in the chemical. So you can bring the green. There is lot of green, and you, if you not found anything, just drink moringa juice. Make moringa juice. Take the moringa leaves and make paste and put the water and strainer and drink that one. Or you can boil the water also, you can drink. And when you cook the rice, you boil the water in moringa, then you cook that same water, boil water in, you cook the rice. So you will get so many benefit. So I think today is enough, and I hope if you have any problem, anything you want to ask, you can comment me, and you can send message also in my Facebook or in my YouTube channel. So please, I tell all my friends, please you like my channel, and share my channel and my video, and what suggesting if you make your treatment yourself, and you what I say you make, and then tell me what result you are getting. And I want everyone is healthy, and we should be have to help everyone. Now please, if you get the benefit, please tell your parents, tell your friends. This message have to give everyone, so everyone get the benefit. I hope we will, but the God saying, don't come selfish. If you are selfish, God never love. So who's the best? Who love others? When we love others, we feel happy. Get good, do good, get good. So take care, be safe, be careful, be healthy. See you next time. And maraming Magandan Gavi, and good night. See you next time, and I hope take care.